requirements. The arenas in which organization operates are describable. So businesses in the same industry often find themselves in a complex dance of competition and collaboration. In most industries, there's a natural competitive drive. Businesses compete for market share, customers, and profits. In this competition pushes companies to innovate, develop new products and services, and improve efficiency. This ultimately benefits consumers with a wider range of choices and better products. The first is the industry. The industry within the organization normally employs certain identified products. The industry within the organization here's a breakdown of what it functions. Industry, this refers to a specific sector or group of companies that produce similar products or services. It's where an organization competes for market share and customers. Products or services. Companies within an industry offer similar products or services that meet the same basic needs. For example, the smartphone industry process companies that also do smartphones. Competition, companies within an industry compete for resources, customers, and profits. This competition drives innovation and keeps prices and check for so barriers and some industries have high barriers to entry, such as high startup costs or specialized knowledge requirements. Next is the resource market. Resource markets, these are the broader markets where organizations, their competitors, and even other industries acquire the resources they need to function. So, resource focus. Resource markets deal with the supply and demand for specific resources, such as raw materials, labor, capital, technology, or information. Resource markets